Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. This is Kisi Tech, your go-to source for all things tech. If you're passionate about smartphones, gadgets, and the latest innovations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tecno, specifically focusing on one of the most common issues faced by Tecno Spark Go2 users, the LCD screen. Whether your screen is cracked, unresponsive, or showing strange lines and discoloration, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about replacing the LCD of your Tecno Spark Go 2, including signs that indicate a screen replacement is necessary, step-by-step DIY instructions, essential tools, safety tips, and where to find quality replacement parts. And of course, the product link is in the description for your convenience. So, if you're ready to restore your device to its pristine condition, let's get started. Understanding the Tecno Spark Go 2 LCD. Before jumping into the replacement process, it's essential to understand what an LCD is and how it functions within your smartphone. The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the core component responsible for displaying visuals, your apps, photos, videos, and everything you see on the screen. The Tecno Spark Go 2 features a 6.52-inch display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. It's known for its vibrant colors and sharp display at an affordable price point. However, like all screens, it's susceptible to damage from accidental drops, impacts, or even manufacturing defects. Recognizing when your LCD needs replacement. How do you know when it's time for an LCD replacement? Here are common signs. Cracks or shattered screen, visible damage after a fall or impact, unresponsive touch. Touch gestures are ignored or only work intermittently, discoloration or dead pixels, black spots, lines, or areas with no display. Strange lines or flickering, horizontal or vertical lines disrupting visual clarity. Display not turning on. Screen remains blank even when the device is powered on. Touch screen ghosting. Unintended touches or ghost images appearing. If you notice any of these, it's a clear sign that your LCD needs attention. Attempting to force the device to work might cause further damage, so it's best to consider a replacement. Tools and parts needed for LCD replacement. Before starting the repair, gather these essential tools. Precision screwdriver set, usually Phillips head and P2 screwdriver bits. Plastic pry tools, to open the casing without damaging it. Suction cup, helps lift the screen. Tweezers for handling small components. Adhesive or double-sided tape to secure the new LCD. Replacement LCD screen. Ensure compatibility with Tecno Spark Go 2. You can find quality replacement parts online. Link in description. Heat gun or hair dryer, to soften adhesive if necessary. Note: if you're not experienced with phone repairs, consider professional assistance. DIY repairs can void warranties or cause further damage if not performed carefully. Now let's walk through the general process of replacing your Tecno Spark Go 2 LCD. Install the new LCD. Connect the new LCD's flex cables to the motherboard. Secure it with screws or brackets. Reassemble the device. Reconnect the battery, reattach the back cover, and ensure everything is snugly in place. Power on and test. Turn on your device to verify the new screen functions correctly. Check for responsiveness, color accuracy, and display clarity. Tips for a successful LCD replacement. Work in a clean, dust-free environment. Handle components with care to avoid static damage. Keep track of screws and small parts. Follow safety precautions, especially when using heat tools. If unsure, consult professional technicians or authorized service centers. Where to find quality replacement parts. For reliable LCD screens compatible with Tecno Spark Go 2, check out the product link in the description. We recommend purchasing from trusted vendors to ensure quality, durability, and proper fitment. Some popular options include online marketplaces like Amazon, AliExpress, or specialized mobile repair parts suppliers. Final thoughts. Replacing the LCD of your Tecno Spark Go 2 might seem daunting at first, but with patience and the right tools, it's achievable. Not only does this save you money compared to professional repairs, but it also gives you a sense of satisfaction knowing you maintained your device yourself. Remember, if you're unsure at any step, it's always best to seek professional help to avoid accidental damage. This is Kisi Tech. Until next time, stay tech-savvy. Thanks for watching this comprehensive guide on Tecno Spark Go 2 LCD replacement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And again, check out the product link in the description for the best replacement screens.